here from OG Creations. Whether you're a believer in fact-based or conspiracy-based news, science or story time, you can't turn anywhere right now without hearing about UAPs or UFOs. So before a mothership attempts a landing to share their wisdom of time and space, I thought I would create a series of videos dedicated to vibrant, stunning photographs of some of the galaxies. So let me introduce you to the shiny pink Nebula shower curtain. I start by placing a 100% white shower curtain in a soda ash bath for 30 minutes, and then place it in the laundry for a 10-minute spin cycle. I fold the curtain on a diagonal and draw my guideline. Directly on my dye rack, I crumple the shower curtain, keeping the guideline visible in the center. I randomly use tighter crumples and small spiral twists in the fabric. During my planning phase, I created a workbook based off of this beautiful galaxy photo. Here, I matched the dyes I'm going to use to the photo. I chose Raven Black, Deep Purple, Amethyst, Hot Hibiscus, and Peony. I apply Raven Black to the edges. Using the lightest shade, I apply Peony directly on top of the diagonal line I drew earlier. Working my way out, I apply Hot Hibiscus to both sides of the Peony color. Next, I apply Amethyst. Last, I apply Deep Purple between the Amethyst and the Raven Black. Finally, soda ash is applied to the top, followed by a thick layer of ice. It is then set aside for 24 to 48 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees. It is rinsed in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried and ironed, it's time to apply heat transfers all over the fabric. This is a very simple process. Place the heat transfer sticky side directly onto the fabric. Place a sheet of parchment paper on top. With your iron set to no steam cotton setting, iron the transfer directly into place using about 15 to 20 seconds of heat. Slowly peel back the plastic cover and repeat. Talk about being out of this world. These stars just pop and shimmer. You can purchase this now over on my Etsy store. Click the link above or visit ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Thank you for watching. I post new videos every Friday, so please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see created next.